Alright guys, so today I'm going to be pranking Wyatt, and he's going to be coming over in about 15-20 minutes, so I'm going to prepare. I got some nail polish right here to fake a burn on my chest, so let me apply that right now. If you guys don't want to see skin, skip this part. Wow, this looks... Oh god. It's a bad burn. What would this even be called? Like a 3rd degree burn? Okay. I also have a pound of dried ice, so that makes it look like the water is really hot. I might make the water warm to make it more realistic, so we'll see how this goes. Let's do this. So what were you doing at home?
Me?
Yeah.
I was just cleaning up.
You're cleaning up?
Yeah, I kind of just woke up a little bit before you texted me. Or after.
Alright, well, let me make some eggs real quick, because I'm kind of hungry.
Alright.
So you want any eggs?
I'm good.
Hey, so you trying to do that Costco challenge next week?
Next week?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm done.
Damn, this thing is hella boiling. Hey, I got another egg for you, come on.
Oh, that's good, I don't want one.
Come on, I just got one for you. It's already cooked.
I guess, sure.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
Are you okay?
shit, dude. Dude.
Are you okay?
Oh, so hot.
Did you burn yourself?
Yeah.
Oh my fucking god. Are you serious?
Yeah, it hurts.
Oh
Here,
my.
take off my shirt real quick.
Let me see.
Ah,
Fuck, you're buzzing.
take it off, Jimmy. Take it off.
Shit.
Take it off.
It's all
Take it
wet.
off.
Dude, did it...
Ah.
Oh, dude, that's fucking bad, dude.
Oh, yo, slowly, it hurts.
Shit, okay, sorry.
Ah.
Fuck, are you fucking serious, dude? Here, cool yourself off, cool yourself off. Are you okay, you good? You good?
Yeah.
Okay,
It still hurts.
Serious, dude. Do you have any ice?
Nah. Yeah, get some right there.
I can't fucking find it. Just go do it. Just fucking use this shit, dude.
Fuck.
Dude, why the fuck did you do that?
Dude, I accidentally slipped.
Pull yourself off of that shit, dude.
Oh, dude. Okay, yo, call 911.
Is it that bad?
Yeah, dude, it hurts so bad. Oh my god.
Dude.
Oh,
How'd you even do that?
dude, I slipped. The water was so hot too. Does it look bad?
It's really bad, dude.
Dude. Yo, tell them I got burned really bad.
How bad does it hurt?
It hurts so bad, dude. Oh my god, it's so red. Oh my god,
Just hold it, just hold it.
Yo, are you calling them right now?
Yeah, just hold it.
Yo, it's just a prank, bro.
You fucking serious?
Yeah, the camera's right there. Look, go up to it. You see it you see it behind the bottle right there?
Oh, yeah. You fucking bitch, dude.
I can't believe you sprayed water all over the floor.
Oh, you serious?
Yeah, dude.
Why is it all red?
Yo, nail polish.
Oh my fucking god, dude.
Oh my god. Freaking got hot pockets. Yeah. Yo, it was just a prank, bro. Come on.
Dude, you fucking
I had to get you back from oh shit! Okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Because I pranked this guy right here. Make sure to stay tuned for next time. I have to get, I can't mention. Actually, I'm not even gonna mention it. Hope you guys stay tuned and subscribe to be part of the legacy. Peace out.